Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G14 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the longer way of finding the serial number, which is as I said longer. However, it will for sure work. It is through the settings, and later on I'll show you much faster way through the secret code. So let's enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to scroll down in this list in order to find the model section. Let's tap on it, and as you can see on the second position we've got the serial number of this device. So this option will work if you will forget the secret code, which in a second I'll show you, or it will not work, for example. So the secret code, we have to enter it in the dialer. The code is *#06#. And as you can see in this pop-out window at the very bottom of it, actually, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.